All rise. Support court with Judge Vunda B is now in session. Judge's case number JVB 1065, McIntosh case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like
Yeah,
that.
straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad. Everything cooking good. Good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Dad got put on.
Wait a second, did you catch that? Dad is already feeling neglected just because the baby is getting attention. Parenting isn't a competition, but this raises an important legal point. When determining custody and child support, courts consider both financial and emotional support. So the real question is Dad here for the child, or is there something else at play? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think has the stronger case so far?
And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened to Dad? You know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No, put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You know,
forgot about
help
Daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby.
though.
It's just all about the baby.
The baby don't
what
know
happened
better.
to baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult, so you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping. So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time, get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just.
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah, but
Okay.
then the baby just popped up, and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest, so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem.
y'all-
6 years together, and now Dad suddenly feels sidelined? Reality check. Life changes when a baby arrives. But notice how he keeps framing it. Asterisk, what about may asterisk instead of asterisk? How can I be a better parent asterisk? Meanwhile, Mom is overwhelmed, possibly battling postpartum depression. This is where many relationships hit turbulence. One partner struggles emotionally, while the other feels ignored. But does that justify a custody battle and support demands? Let's keep watching.
Anymore?
The child's about 6.
6. Okay.
Yeah, had him right kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having the kid so early, and it should have waited a little while. But hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
So the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here. So like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't like, you know, but it don't seem to. It's just like, I guess you're going to do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to
Postpartum.
yeah, what you said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's gonna be a
Now, not
disconnect.
for 5 years.
How you gonna tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I
It's
try. That's why I
mental
take.
issues.
That's why I
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I
child.
try to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You don't even know what you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Okay, I'll
So
take that.
it takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and my child. That takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to her, try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what
He's
that
wasting
something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
Okay.
He's behind bars. That's a game changer. But let's break it down. Having a criminal record doesn't automatically mean losing custody. Courts focus on what's best for the child. So the real question is, did this arrest affect her ability to be a responsible parent? Here's the twist. Dad seems more focused on exposing her mistakes than proving he's the better caregiver. What do you think? Should past mistakes define parental rights?
Kind of between right about now. But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a
I've been
job.
with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she's not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
wait
yeah.
a minute, Mr.
I agree with
McIntosh.
that.
Let me move over here to her so I can
okay.
hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, me and my girl did some digging and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his
sure
new
did. I
girlfriend?
worked her butt.
He
I
did not
sure
have to
did.
jump on it.
While she was at
I
work?
did. Because he's not
Ooh.
about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah, so
reason.
Mom found out Dad cheated, so she tracked down the other woman. But here's where it backfires. Her actions led to an assault charge. Asterisk yikes, asterisk legally speaking, retaliation like this rarely ends well. Instead of focusing on co-parenting, they're stuck in a toxic blame game. But the bigger issue? The child is caught in the crossfire. Do you think personal drama should impact custody decisions? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Oh.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You can't
it's
take
in there.
what happened to all
That's
you
one of the
gonna fight.
side
You gonna
effects.
fight my new girlfriend.
That's one of the side
Where's the baby
effects.
while you fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great question. What
Yeah, you
was the
fighting
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset. I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the child
Where was the
while you
child
were
while
fighting?
you were fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taken care of. My sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I guess
for her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting
Obviously
into it.
not, because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a soul case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking care of
living?
the kid?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce.
Yeah, he
What are you
producing, all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
Okay.
Producing.
Have they already produced some music?
that's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
And what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right. And you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid.
Here comes the moment of truth. Dad wants child support. But wait, he's making $80,000 a year while mom is unemployed and the primary caregiver. Legally, child support is meant to assist the custodial parent, and the judge sees right through this. Dad's case is falling apart fast. If anything, he should be paying, not the other way around.
Okay. Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking, Your Honor. I didn't want to be malicious towards him or anything, so I didn't feel a need I had to. So that's just where I stand on that.
Okay. Is your sister also helping you with that criminal
She is.
case?
She is.
Okay.
And she also helps me watch the kid if I'm needing to do anything, like any grocery shopping or anything. She helps me.
All right. So where does dad come in?
I mean, he's rarely around. I mean, he's doing this little producing thing and stuff and meeting up with late women and stuff. You know, that's why I had this little charge. So I mean, that's what he's doing.
It's a little charge.
I mean, it's an assault charge, but I mean, it is what it is at this point. It already happened, so.
Okay, I do agree with that. Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I am not manipulating women. You got one girlfriend and you jumped on
You
her.
are. No, there's
You tell the
plenty
judge
more.
about your sister.
It's
She going back
plenty
to jail.
more. It's plenty more.
Oh,
How you
okay.
know?
Well, guess what? I don't have
sources.
time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today. I have other things to do, and you obviously came here to waste my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice but to dismiss it. And mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support today.
Me?
But yes, you at that $80,000 to $85,000 range because the child lives with her. She's telling the truth, isn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure she's telling the truth about the other stuff too. But
No,
that's
no,
none of my
no,
business.
No.
So, is there anything further today, Mr. McIntosh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap on the Macintosh case. Dad tried to flip the tables but ended up losing Asterisk big time. Asterisk, the court saw right through his claims, and truthfully, he would have been on the hook for child support if mom had filed. This case highlights an important legal lesson. Custody battles aren't about ego. They're about what's best for the child. What are your thoughts on today's case? Should mom take action? Drop your opinions below. And if you love courtroom drama and real legal insights, hit that like button, subscribe to Asterisk Cafe Stories, Asterisk, and turn on notifications so you never miss a case breakdown.